Welcome to the fingerprinting simulation. In this simulation, you'll learn the basics of identifying a person based on their fingerprints using a technique called the Henry classification system. To begin, click on the Sim tab. The simulation opens with a suspect's set of fingerprints being displayed in the upper portion of the screen. A suspect's ID number is also shown in the display area. To view an individual fingerprint, click on the first print of the right hand. An enlarged version of the print appears in the display area on the right center of the screen. Use the fingerprint key located to the right of the display area to determine the type of print, which will be an arch, loop, or whorl. Note and record this information. To view the next print, click on the second print of the right hand. Continue doing this until you view all the suspect's prints. Remember to note and record the type of print for each finger. The background section of the module provides a formula to calculate the value of the suspect's fingerprints using the Henry classification system. Use the formula to determine the value, which will be a fraction of the suspect's prints. For instance, in this example, the formula yielded a fractional value of 20/25. The next step is to look for that fraction in the fingerprint database section of the simulation, which is located in the bottom of the screen. Click on the appropriate tab on the file folder to narrow down the possible fingerprint files. Once you reach a set of fingerprints, click on the individual fingerprints to view each print in the bottom display area. Make sure that the suspect prints located in the top portion of the screen match the database prints located below. Click the Select as Match button once you're satisfied you have made a positive fingerprint identification. The simulation will tell you whether your match was correct or if you need to revise your search. You can click the Back button if you need to review other possible prints in the fingerprint database. Click the yellow forward arrow located at the top left of the screen if you wish to match a new and different suspect's fingerprints with the database of prints.